Whoa.
Ira roi ngā tere mana ki tangata tātou, ariki mata, tama wairua tapu me ngāna here pono ko te māngai hei tautoko mai, ai nei, ake nei, ai. A tuatahi, ngā reo whakamoimiti whakawhetai atu ki ta tātou. Ariki, o te nui o ana kororia-tanga kua uhia mai, tuarua kia koutou te maria, ka tūhono mai ki tēnei o ngā kiriata, tua toru kia tātou ngā rangatahi, mai, kia ora! Introductions, just in case we get questioned who our rangatahi are.
Okay. Me? Well, Raniera, Morehu ki koutou, ko te timunako. So, ai rangatahi tonu ahau. Honest. Okay, next person. Zion.
Tēnā tātou katoa, my name is and yeah.
Kia ora whanau mā, Tirinawo, tūwharetoa.
Kia ora whanau, Dwayne Thompson, yeah.
Ka pai. So, here we are, whanau. We've actually had a pretty long day today. We actually went to attend a really awesome kaupapa, hashtag talk to me. So we thought that we'd just go live right now and just go off the cuff and really, while we had the opportunity, just get some kōrero from our rangatahi while they're here. So, the whole kaupapa about talk to me is about validating our whānau and making sure that we're all safe and connected. And so connection is an important thing, especially in these times. And for us as Morehu, when we talk about connection, we're talking about our relationship with ihoa and how important that is for us. And so we've got a couple of our rangatahi here, and we're just going to go off the cuff and talk about our relationship with ihoa. How important is that for us as rangatahi? Who wants to go first?
Oh, tēnā koe matua.
Oh, okay, awesome. So, yeah, we're praying acknowledgement that ihoa ngā mano, Jehovah of the multitudes, he is our King, the creator of all things. That my personal connection is that through our good times, our bad times, you know, through everything we're going through, he's always going to be there for us. You know, you might be struggling with family, or like the bro, he, you know, backstabbed you or something like that, or like you just feel like you got no one on your back. Ihoa's always there for you. He's guiding you, he's looking after you. He's going to be there for you whether you like it or not. So, you know, I acknowledge that he's one of the only consistencies in this world. So, yeah, you know.
Ka pai. I love that.
Ko tāku, he tautoko I ngā kōrero a te tingani nei. Yeah, it's just trusting in ihoa is a major thing. And knowing that there's nothing that you can put on the table that'll make ihoa turn away, or, you know, his faithful angels, they will never actually turn their back on you. Aha kua tahuri koe I tō tura, even if you turn your back, ko rātou tērā e whakahoha I a koe me te, hei, tahuri mai anō kei konei au, mau, au te pōtau. Yeah, just not to get distracted by ngā rauhangatanga a te ao kiko, just not to get distracted by the holdbacks of the physical world. Me te mohi hoki ko ihoa ta tātou piringa, ta tātou pākaha, e tino tata ingawa katoa.
So, tonight was really good because I have been going through depression and anxiety, and it actually helped me see that there is a lot of things that you can do and to talk to someone instead of being alone. So yeah, that was a big highlight, and I'm very happy to contact them sometime when I'm feeling down, and always being connected with ihoa.
So that's so important, whānau, and connection is a huge thing. And sometimes we have to go through this process of connection, disconnection, and reconnection. And so connection for us is about identifying those things that give value to our lives, those things that are important to us, those things that can help us grow. And obviously ihoa can do that. And then sometimes there's a process of disconnection where we become molded by the world's ways, and we adopt things that are of this world rather than being tūpono to ngā kaupapa o ihoa ngā mano. And so that's where the reconnection comes from. And for us, when we go through our inoi, our whakamoimiti, we have a process called tāpai me te ripine tā, which is a process of reconnection for us. And so all of these messages, you know, pai roa. And so here for us as Rangatahi, we're saying that for us, connection with iho is so important because, like our matua here said, that is the only constant thing in this world. You know, 99.99999% of the time, man will fail you, but iho won't. And sometimes it's trying to find the message in all of that chaos to see what iho is trying to teach us, because he gives us blessings and he also gives us the lessons. And so it's for us to identify which one he's giving us at a certain time. And also asking for strength and wisdom, maramatanga and kaha, for ihoa to be able to help us navigate through those challenges so we can step up to the next level. And so this is basically some of the things, you know, we encourage our rangatahi out there, seek ihoa, kei aia te mauri me te mana nāna I hanga ngā mea katoa. So whānau, this is us, we're Rangatahi Morehu, we're proud of who we are, we're proud that we are tūpono tū ihoa ngā mano, and we want to encourage all of our rangatahi out there to do the same thing. So, kia ora tātou, signing off.
Ai rā, e hoa mā, tēnā rā mātu koutou anō ma te tūhono mai ki tēnei o ngā kiriata, te tautoko mai ia tātou, te ropu rangatahi. E mahi ana i ngā mahi, hei pānga mo te iwi. Nā reira I runga I awa kōrero, I raro hoki te ingoa kaha te mata, te tama te wairua tapu me ngā ana hira pono, ko te māngai hei tautoko mai, ai nei, ake nei, ai.
Ai.
Pomari e whānau.
Pomari e whānau.